Okay, if you can't tell, it's a beautiful day out here. Here's my house. And we're going to walk over and film the brand new Goodman unit at this house. I think they had it installed like last May or April. But it's got as you can see, we had a storm last night, so we might be coming. I don't know. It's getting windy. This is take 2 because last time, if you saw, you'll see in the bloopers at the end of the video. There's them two. There's a big truck that came down the alley, and I hope it's not coming this time. They have kids in high school and middle school, so alright. Let's get this in a downtown. Oh, I'm not going back to the data sheet. But anyways, oh crap. That'll be a blue.
This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.